Quick and engaging visual learning of 30 words, complete with practical examples. Day 2. Intro. Hi my dear friends, welcome back. In today's video, we're diving deeper into our English learning series. As you know, learning new words is essential for expanding your vocabulary and improving your communication skills. Today, we'll be exploring 30 new words that you can use in your daily conversations. We'll start with the words, followed by their definitions, and then we'll see how they can be used in sentences. We'll also have some pictures and animations to make the learning process more engaging and enjoyable. Remember, the key to mastering these words is practice. So, make sure to repeat them out loud and try to use them in your own sentences. Thank you so much for your support. Now, let's get started with the first word. Words list. Vocabulary training.
Terrible.
Means very bad or unpleasant. Example 1. The storm last night was terrible.
Example 2. He felt terrible after hearing the bad news.
Loud.
Means producing or capable of producing much noise, easily heard. Example 1. The music was so loud that I couldn't hear you.
Example 2. She spoke in a loud voice to be heard over the noise.
Experiment.
Means a scientific procedure undertaken to make a discovery, test a hypothesis, or demonstrate a known fact. Example 1. The science class did an experiment with magnets.
Example 2. The experiment showed that the new drug was effective.
Among.
Means surrounded by, in the company of. Example 1. She was among the best students in her class.
Example 2. The secret was hidden among the papers.
Nervous.
Means easily agitated or alarmed, tending to be anxious, highly strung. Example 1. She felt nervous before the interview.
Example 2. The nervous cat hid under the car during the storm.
Scare.
Means to cause great fear or worrying. Example 1. The movie didn't scare me at all.
Example 2. Don't scare the children with ghost stories.
Worse.
Means of poorer quality or a lower standard, less good or desirable. Example 1. The weather is getting worse.
Example 2. Her condition worsened overnight.
Secret.
Means not known or seen, or not meant to be known or seen by others. Example 1. She told me a secret about her past.
Example 2. The recipe has a secret ingredient.
Shout.
Means to utter a loud call or cry, typically as an expression of a strong emotion. Example 1. He had to shout to be heard in the crowd.
Example 2. Don't shout at me, I'm not deaf.
Chart.
Means a sheet of information in the form of a table, graph, or diagram. Example 1. The teacher showed a chart of the solar system.
Example 2. We need to update the sales chart for this month.
Smell.
Means the faculty or power of perceiving odors or scents by means of the organs in the nose. Example 1. I love the smell of fresh bread.
Example 2. There's a strange smell coming from the kitchen.
Project.
Means an individual or collaborative enterprise that is carefully planned to achieve a particular aim. Example 1. We are working on a new project at work.
Example 2. The school project was about renewable energy.
Library.
Means a building or room containing collections of books, periodicals, and sometimes films and recorded music for use or borrowing by the public or the members of an institution. Example 1. I borrowed 3 books from the library.
Example 2. The library is a quiet place to study.
Alien.
Means belonging to a foreign country or nation, unfamiliar and disturbing or distasteful. Example 1. The movie featured an alien from another planet.
Example 2. She felt like an alien in the new country.
Cloud.
Means a visible mass of condensed water vapor floating in the atmosphere, typically high above the ground. Example 1. The sky is full of white fluffy clouds.
Example 2. I store my photos in the cloud.
Comprehend.
Means grasp mentally, understand. Example 1. It's hard to comprehend the vastness of the universe.
Example 2. She couldn't comprehend why he was so angry.
Friendly.
means kind and pleasant. Example 1. He has a friendly smile.
Example 2. Our new neighbors are very friendly.
Describe.
Means give an account in words of someone or something, including all the relevant characteristics, qualities, or events. Example 1. Can you describe the person you saw?
Example 2. The book describes the adventures of a young sailor.
Grade.
Means a particular level of rank, quality, proficiency, or value. Example 1. She got a good grade on her math test.
Example 2. The road has a steep grade.
Ever.
Means at any time. Example 1. Have you ever been to Paris?
Example 2. This is the best cake I've ever tasted.
Fail.
Means be unsuccessful in achieving one's goal. Example 1. I'm afraid of failing the exam.
Example 2. If at first you don't succeed, try again. Don't fear failure.
Instead.
Means as an alternative or substitute. Example 1. We had fish instead of chicken.
Example 2. Instead of going out, we stayed home.
Planet.
Means a celestial body moving in an elliptical orbit around a star. Example 1. Earth is the third planet from the Sun.
Example 2. Scientists are searching for new planets in the universe.
Several.
Means more than two but not many. Example 1. Several people were waiting for the bus.
Example 2. I've read the book several times.
View.
Means the ability to see something or to be seen from a particular place. Example 1. The view from the top of the mountain is breathtaking.
Example 2. We need to change our view on this issue.
Report.
Means give a spoken or written account of something that one has observed, heard, done, or investigated. Example 1. She wrote a report on the company's financial status.
Example 2. The weather report says it will rain tomorrow.
Solve.
Means find an answer to, explanation for, or means of effectively dealing with a problem or mystery. Example 1. Can you solve this math problem?
Example 2. The detective solved the mystery.
Suddenly.
Means quickly, and unexpectedly. Example 1. Suddenly, the lights went out.
Example 2. She stood up suddenly and left the room.
Suppose.
Means, assume that something is the case on the basis of evidence or probability, but without proof or certain knowledge. Example 1. Suppose we take a different route.
Example 2. I suppose you're right.
Appropriate.
Means, suitable or proper in the circumstances. Example 1. It's important to wear appropriate clothing to a job interview.
Example 2. He allocated the appropriate funds for the project.
Review. I hope you find this series helpful and enjoyable. Please, as always, show your support by commenting, liking, and subscribing. Your support encourages me to create more videos.